Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you our brand spanking new collection for the month of, September. Yes, it's September already. It is called Parfum by Decor8yourlife. Yours truly. It is a shabby-licious collection in 8.5 by 8.5, and I'm also going to be sharing with you some of the projects that I have made for this month's giveaway, and be back in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. Enjoy. Alrighty, so for the month of September, we have a brand spanking new paper collection, and like I said, it's called Parfum by Decor8yourlife. I decided to go with French, like last month I did Atelier. So this month we are moving into the shabby chic genre, and it's all about elegance and shabby-liciousness and femininity and, of course, perfumes. Now, this collection has 7 designs, 7 illustrated pages. When you order the paper pack, you get 14 single-sided pages. It's printed on 65-pound cardstock that is both lignin and acid-free. And before we get to what you may be able to win for this month, let's go ahead and do a flip through and talk about the collection for a little bit. So this is the cover page. As y'all know, we always get a cover page so that you can use it to your heart's content. And what inspired me to make this collection was a couple of past collections that I've made. One of them was Dainty Dreams, in which I made that collection for Craftstash, and the other one is this other shabby-licious collection, one of my earliest works. And so I forget the name of that one. But anywho, that's what inspired me in this. And the primary colors that you're going to see here are like vanilla, a very soft hue of pink, and a little bit of rose color, and a lot of gold here and there. Not too much of it. So this is the first page, and it is absolutely beautiful. And of course, you're going to get to see the entire collection in our website, and also in our Etsy. And so I'll go ahead and leave you with the links to those in the description area underneath this YouTube video. So this is page 2. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. And page 3, like so. I brought a little bit of bling out along with some pearls. And here is the next one. I just love these flowers. They're absolutely beautiful. It's very, very feminine. And here you go. Here's the next page. And I love this hair barrette, not a barrette, hair comb. I absolutely love it. And as you can see, there are many, many, many layers to this page. And I think I can't decide which is my favorite, the one that I just showed you or this one, but I absolutely love this one as well. And as you can see, perhaps the camera's not showing, but there are a ton of layers right along here, and of course over here, but there are more layers here than there are over here, and you can't tell, but it all just makes one beautiful design. And on top of that, it is also an ombre. I did this ombre type of hue in which you have the pinkish, and then you kind of get a little bit of the bluish here, and it goes back to pink and vanilla. Just love that. And this is the last page. And so over here, you can use this as is, or you can always fussy cut the elements here, you know, and use them on cards or any extras that you desire. And of course, we have the Decorate Your Life emblem right there. But I just love the way this collection came out. And this is what the package looks like. So that is the collection. Parfum, very shabalicious, very elegant. And what I made for this month's winner is a mini album. Now, the mini album, I used a die from KS Crafts to design this mini album. And so it is a very simple mini album. And I also use my cinch machine to do the binding over here. And in the binding, I put this clip. You can go ahead and remove this clip and add it to your keychain or your purse, whatever you'd like. And I used this pom-pom on it. I think it was such a neat idea. And of course, here we have one of our bows. I went ahead and I added it to the front page. It's supposed to be the bow on the key. And if you're interested in these bows, these are available in our website and in our Etsy. This is what the back looks like. And I'm waiting on a new stamp. This should have a stamp that says handmade by Decorate Your Life. And here we go, page 1. Let me move something out of the way. Okay, so here is the front. And over here we have some tags that I made also with dies from KS Craft. And each page is going to be a pocket page, okay? And each pocket is going to have a one of these, just a pull up mat for a picture mat. You can add a picture, or you know, you can write a sentiment or something about, you know, what you're placing in your scrapbook. So, and I also made these with a paper punch, so that way it'll be easy to pull these out. And of course, we have this accent right along here, and this can go right here. And this right here was made from a die from Heartfelt Creations. And moving along, the back of each of the mini album pages is going to have one of these plain cardstock pages, and that's just so that you can write or you can add a picture or whatever you would like. Here is another tag that I made. This is what the back looks like. And of course, here we have our the tuck spot where you can have the tag. And right here is going to be another photo mat. As you can tell, I just love making shaped mini albums. This one is so dainty and feminine. I just love it. And this is what the next page looks like. Again, same type of mat. And this is what the last page looks like so. And of course, over here we have the very last. This is the back cover. And so you have the possibility of winning this. You just have to check out the giveaway rules in the description area to this video. And another thing that I made is this gift box, this milk carton gift box. And so I went ahead and added some papers right along here, and I did mat them. If you could tell, it's the same, paper, craft paper from the mini album. And it's, this is very deep. It is very, very deep. That way you can add quite a few things in here. And this beautiful bow right here was gifted to me by my friend, her friend Shabby Pink House. Hello, honey, Christine. And over here what I did was I added washi tape. Now this washi tape has been adhered with double-sided tape, and I do carry double-sided tape in my store now, in which you get 3 to a pack, and it's priced to sell fast. So you might want to go ahead and take advantage of that as well. You will find it in my Etsy as well as in my website. Again, adhered with double-sided tape and double-sided tape, and this is the back. Now, what I've been offering in my website and also in my Etsy are key charms, and also like key charms wristlets and pens. So we got cut off in the last take, so I'm going to go over these 2 items. In my Etsy and in my website, you will find that I have some handmade beaded wristlets, keychain wristlets. So the winner is going to get one of these. You can use it on your, you can clip this on your purse. And over here, you can add your keychains. And here we have this beautifully made. I just love that crown. It's very chic, very feminine, very shabalicious. It will go perfectly with your mini album. So the winner is going to get this. So I will try to make one more project, but I'm going to start physical therapy very soon. And that's going to take a lot of my time every single week. So if you have not been up to date with what's been going on with me health-wise, you can go ahead and check out my TikTok. I talk about it there. And, the physical therapy and the store are going to be keeping me pretty busy. So I will do my best to do one more project. If not, it's going to be this and the paper collection, of course. So go ahead and check out all the links that I leave you in the description area down below, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Make sure you click on that little bell icon so that YouTube will inform you the next time I upload a brand spanking new video, because you never know what I may upload. We do giveaways every single month. And check out our team. They are really neat, a neat group of ladies who are very talented. You will find their links in the description down below as well. I'll see you once again real soon, okay?